Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the look that I have for you guys today. It's very fall inspired. If you guys are interested in this eyeshadow tutorial, stay tuned, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. So to start off with this look, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution C12 concealer and then pat and blend out this warm brown shade or orange shade. I'm going to heavily apply this shade into my crease area. Then I'll start blending out in a circular motion and blending upwards. This is a clean blending brush. I use this shade and I'm just going to blend out that orange. And then I'm going to reapply it. Then next I'm going to go into my Tarte and Bloom palette by Tarte. And I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to take this shade Leader. And I'm also going to sweep it onto the outer lid. And then I'm going to start blending into my crease. And blend upwards into that orange. This shade Smoke Show, and we are going to define my crease even more. So we're going to apply this to the outer corner of the lid. Stop probably like 2/3. We're going to pat that in and then go in our crease with it. So a tip that I like to do to get colors into my crease is I would apply the shade into my crease and then look up or look frontwards, and then that's where, you know, my lid folds. So then that's where the product will place. Then we're going to go back into that Leader shade out the same palette, and we're going to use this shade to blend out that black. Now next what we're going to do is I'm going to take my NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer. I'm going to apply a little bit of this to my bare lid. And you only need a little bit. I'm going to blend out with my finger. I'm going to take a little bit more of that Smoke Show. Not necessarily covering the lid, but just patting it into my crease. Now I'm gonna go into a really old palette. Is Lorac still around? I believe Lorac sold like a few years ago. but this is the Lorac Pro palette. This is the, I think, the Pro 2 palette, and it looks like this. I'm gonna go into this shade Jade, which is this shimmery olive green. Then I'm gonna take another palette, and this is one of my favorite palettes. And I didn't think it was gonna be one of my favorite palettes, but this is the Fenty Galaxy palette, and I'm gonna take this shade, which I believe is Planet X. It's a glitter green, and it looks like that. And I'm gonna apply this right on top of the green. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Leader out of that Tarte Lit and Bloom palette, and I'm blending that to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line by using a smudger brush and taking the shade Smoke Show and just running that under my lashes. For my eyeliner, I've been using the NYX Matte Eyeliner, and I went over that with my Smoke Show eyeshadow from out this Tarte Lit and Bloom palette, and I kind of like made it into a wing, and I just wanted the eyeliner to look more matte, because that eyeliner, it kind of leaves like a shiny, shiny look. For my brow bone, I took the shade Katina, I think I'm saying that right, and then I went back over it with the orange. And then I'm going to kind of glam it up a bit, and I use the Wet n Wild glitter liner, and I just applied that in the beginning and ended it at the center of my uh, lash line. And that's all I did, just to kind of glam up the look a little bit. And then for my mascara, I use the Rimmel London Super Extra Lash Mascara. I think that's the name. I'll put it down below. And I'm just showing you guys how I apply my mascara. I like to get all the strands coated, and yeah. So the highlight for my inner corner, I'm gonna wear Golden, and this is one of my Glam Dust highlighters, and I'm just gonna use the product that's in the top, and I'm gonna put this in the inner corner. And then I'm also gonna highlight my face, and I'm just using the product that's in the top. Now for my lips, I'm using a black liquid lipstick. This is by Her Cosmetics, but I haven't released it yet, and I was planning on releasing it, around this time fall, but it just didn't work out. So yeah, so I used that. It's a black liquid lipstick, and then I went over that with Beauty Mark. It's a matte brown shade, very beautiful. And I went in with a lip brush and just made sure that the edges and everything was blurred. Look how beautiful that ombre effect is. Like, this look is like so beautiful. So this is the completed look. I took my hair out and stuff. And so I really love this look. It's very beautiful. It's very fall. I'm really into olive green colors. If you guys enjoyed this look, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.